Was that MMC, mostly the Margaon area MMC, will not be collecting any biomedical waste hereafter. So the CEO was asking to cooperate, and he was requesting all the facilities who are come under his judiciary to cooperate with the MMC.
The plant is coming.
It's already planned. The plant is established and it is running on trial basis now. Yeah.
What is the capacity of
Yes, sir.
plant capacity?
It can cover up to all Goa, like irrespective, like big hospital or small clinics, tattoo centers, anything that is generating waste. We have got German technologies for the incineration and autoclave, everything like that.
So at present in Salset, how much is the capacity of biomed? What is the capacity of at present biomedical waste?
Yes.
What is the capacity of?
There are 313 or 303 facilities are there in Salset, out of which we have started collecting almost 45 to 50 facilities. Still few of them are to be registered with us.
Name please?
Sir?
Name?
Meshach Dayanand, South Goa Executive. At present, very difficult to say because GMC and all produce tons and tons of waste in a day. Like Manipal, GMC, like Margaon, Asilo Hospital and all, they generate, the weight is almost like not the same. Yes, all, big or small, everybody, whoever generates the medical waste, they are assigned to associate with us. Meshach Dayanand, South Goa. List of around 303 something, 303, Salset area.
How many of them have so far been contacted you?
Service is being given to everybody. Even MOU, that is what the signing of official agreement is still on the process. But they have deposited their security amount and the registration fees. Only the hard copy is delaying from our end. Yes. That is what I wouldn't say because I don't have any hard copy to prove you. So the number almost 30-35 people have paid the security amount and it's depend upon the facility. It's like they have segregated into 3-4 categories. The government has segregated about 30 plus bed considered as big hospitals, below 30 as small, and then dental comes, dental, pathology, veterinary. So the prices are different according to the district.
For example, the health center. So what is the amount they need to pay for this?
9.95 rupees, about 30. 9.95 per bed per day. Yes.
Not to collect it, but as a chief officer, it was my duty to inform all the healthcare facilities which are running in Margaon municipality to tell them. Suddenly, government has scheme काढले लोका भी करपा जाय. So my intention was to just be a facilitator to the scheme, to tell them what is what, and thereafter, आता आम्ही maybe Diwali so ते तो enter MOU है ना. I am already been directed not to collect it. I can stop it from today itself. But as a stopgap arrangement, I have informed them to start go for this facility. By maybe by Diwali, I will start, collect it. Thereafter, once they enter into MOU, I will stop it. Rani, then Nikhil Cairo, Assistant Manager, Goa Waste Management. Then Mr. Dayanand Meshach, South Goa Marketing, Kundam Industrial Estate. Then I had with me Dr. Edwin Braganza, Medical Superintendent, Infant Jesus Nursing Home. Yeah. Private, maybe.